In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos in CapCut Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your mobile device. It's that little icon with the stylized C, often waiting patiently among your other apps. Once you've tapped it open, you'll be greeted by the main screen of CapCut. Here you will see a button that says New Project. Go ahead and tap on this button. This is your gateway to all things creative. Once you tap New Project, your phone's gallery will pop up, showcasing all your video clips and photos. This is where the magic happens. You're now in charge of selecting what you'd like to work on. Simply browse through your gallery and select the video clips or photos you want to import into CapCut. If there are several clips you want to bundle together for your project, fear not. You can easily tap on multiple clips, making it a seamless process to gather all the necessary media. After you have made your selection, and once you're confident these are the clips you want to edit, direct your attention to the Add button nestled at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give it a tap. In this moment, CapCut springs into action, whisking your chosen videos away and placing them snug and secure into the editing timeline. Now here's where the fun really starts. With your videos neatly lined up in the editing timeline, you have the entire CapCut editing suite at your fingertips. Perhaps you want to trim the awkward silences at the beginning or end of a clip, or maybe cut away parts that just don't fit the vibe of your project. Add some flair with effects, transitions, or text overlays. The sky's the limit when it comes to creativity. And with that, you've successfully imported your videos into CapCut Mobile. It's a simple yet powerful first step into crafting something unique and visually compelling. Whether you're editing your first video or you're a seasoned pro brushing up on your skills, knowing how to import efficiently is key to getting your project up and running. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, subscribing and liking the video are fantastic ways to show your support. We hope to see you again in the next one as we continue to explore more exciting video editing adventures. Until then, happy editing!